Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you two decorative mirrors that I'm going to make. So let's get into the items that we'll be using for this DIY. I have two of the large round black mirrors that you can get from the Dollar Tree. And I'll be using these boards here. I got them from my Dollar Tree. And if your Dollar Tree doesn't have these, you can use the regular foam board, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And we also have our gold bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled. And I also have her silver bling wrap. And I got these mirrors from the Dollar Tree also, you guys. These are new, I guess. You can find them online. You can order them online, and they have them in the section that says beauty supplies. Yeah, and I have some bling gems that you can get from Walmart or Michael's, and I have the E6000, our tools, and our glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, everyone, we have our foam board here, and I have the circles that I have, but the mirrors are also the same size as the circles that I have. So you can just use the mirror and trace out the circle on the foam board, and you can use that, which I have these, so I'm just going to trace it out with these. And you're going to need to trace out, if you're just using the foam board, then trace out 4 of these circles. And if you have these boards like I have, you can find them at your Dollar Tree, then you just need 2 of the foam boards. And now we're just going to detach our mirrors from the black frame. And then we're just going to glue them down to our foam board with some E6000 and some glue gun, you guys. And now we're going to take 4 of our mirrors and just take them out of the frame. Just lightly press on them and they will pop out because they're just glued in. We're going to do 4 of those. And then we're also going to break them. Just hold them right at the bottom and they just snap right off. Now we're going to take our silver bling wrap and cut the strips and just wrap it right round the outside of the mirrors just to hide up the imperfections where the mirror meets the foam board. And on the other mirror, we'll be doing the same thing, but just using the gold bling wrap, going all the way around. And here's how they both look. One with gold, one with silver. And now we're going to take our small rhinestones, which you can find at Walmart or Michael's, and bling out our round mirror, going all the way around, you guys. We're going to bling out our small mirrors with this silver bling wrap, and we cut them into strips. And we're just going to bling it going right around the mirror. Okay, the silver strips is for our first mirror, which we'll only be doing 4, blinging out 4 of the mirrors in silver. And now we'll be adding some rhinestones at the bottom. And for our second mirror, we'll be blinging it out with the gold bling wrap. We cut the strips, and I'll be doing 9 of these. 9 of these round mirrors I'll be doing with the gold bling wrap, going all the way around. And now for our first mirror, which is the silver mirror, I'll be placing 1 mirror down, 1 mirror up. That's why I took the mirrors out of the back, so we didn't need them to be facing the back. And I'm just laying them out to try to even them out so we can glue them down to get our pattern. And now we're going to take our E6000 and our hot glue gun, and just glue them down, going all the way around. Once I place them down in their glue, I'm adding some extra glue on the back just to make sure they're hold down firm. And now that it's dry, I'm putting a little extra piece of the foam board in the center to even out the back piece that I'm going to be placing down, because the mirrors are elevated a bit, so the back part of the board will not fit securely down. So I'm just adding this little piece to make sure everything connects. And then I use the glue gun and some of the E6000 and place the back foam board on top of everything, so I'll have something nice and firm to hang it up on, which I'll be using command strips to hang them up. And for our second mirror, it's the same thing, just lay out our pattern, but this pattern they're all right next to each other. So I just lay them, and again I'll be using the E6000 and our glue gun and just gluing them down, going all the way around. Just like we did the first one, everything will be the same. Here's our look for mirror number 1, you guys. The gold one, the gold mirror, all blinged out with the gold wrap, Totally Dazzled, which I'll leave a link below so you can go over and check out the bling wrap for yourself. But I think it looks very nice. And these mirrors from the Dollar Tree, OMG, they are so super cute. I like how it turned out. Here's our look for mirror number 2, this blinged out silver mirror. I think this one looks very nice also, with the silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and our gems, which you can get from Walmart or Michael's, and Hobby Lobby also has these gems. So if you have a Hobby Lobby near you, check it out, because they have these gems also. Alright everyone, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I did for today. And don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, so you can come back and see more of the DIYs that I come up with to share with you guys. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye everyone.